Is it time to buy or sell Weight Watchers International stock? In this video, we will thoroughly explore Weight Watchers International. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Weight Watchers International as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.13. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 86.31% since we first identified Weight Watchers International as a buy candidate 3 days ago. This translates to an average return of 28.77% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 46.59% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 97.10% and negative 46.59%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 40.22%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 94.96% to positive 13.43% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0.0388 and $0.87. Our latest daily update for Weight Watchers International includes the headline: significant movements in Weight Watchers International Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating 46.68% between high and low. The Weight Watchers International Incorporated stock price increased 5.25% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025, rising from 0.732 to 0.770. It has now experienced gains for 5 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see if it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 46.68%, ranging from a daily low of 0.770 to a daily high of 1.13. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 352.11% over the past 2 weeks. Volume declined on the last day by 315 million shares, with a total of 253 million shares traded for approximately $195,250,000. It's important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices can signal divergence, serving as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $2.35, while the lowest price was $0.117. Currently, the price is 67.22% or $1.58 below the 52-week high and 99.27% or $104.96 below the all-time high reached on the 20th of June, 2018, when the price peaked at $105.73. Weight Watchers, trading under the ticker WW, has recently caught attention due to various developments impacting its stock outlook. On the 29th of April, the company improved access to Zepbound vials for its members in collaboration with Lilly Direct Pharmacy, enhancing service delivery. This integration could positively affect member retention and user satisfaction, establishing a foundation for long-term customer loyalty, which is vital for revenue stability. However, discussions regarding bankruptcy cast a shadow over the company. Reports indicate that these conversations may be a strategic maneuver during debt negotiations. An activist investor highlighted that, despite the challenges, Weight Watchers possesses considerable brand equity and a substantial member base. This dual narrative, potential operational improvements alongside financial distress, could lead to increased volatility in WW's stock price. While the company recently reported positive earnings, surpassing estimates and showing a slower loss year over year, investor sentiment remains fragile. Weight Watchers faces significant debt maturities that, if left unresolved, could necessitate a more drastic restructuring phase. In the short term, stock volatility is likely as investors respond to both the efforts to innovate services and the looming financial uncertainty. The long-term implications will hinge on how effectively the company manages its financial obligations and capitalizes on its brand strength to maintain membership growth in a highly competitive health and wellness sector. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, October 8, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned WW a hold grade and recommended a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Barclays assigned WW an underweight grade along with a hold action. On Friday, July 26, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave WW an equal weight grade and suggested a downgrade action. On Wednesday, September 27, 2023, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned WW a hold grade while recommending an upgrade action. On Tuesday, July 25, 2023, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave WW an overweight grade and recommended an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Weight Watchers International stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Weight Watchers International. Mostly positive signals are reflected in today's chart. The stock of Weight Watchers International Inc. receives buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support can be expected around the levels of approximately 0.393 and 0.423. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, April 17, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 492.62%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has appeared from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices rose. This indicates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 199 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average noted a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 68 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 58 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at stockinvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Weight Watchers International. Weight Watchers International Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at 0.732. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and due to a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated 360 cents between its high and low, equating to a percentage change of 46.68. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 66.68%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Weight Watchers International, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. It is not uncommon for even well-established companies to face downturns, frequently due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. On another note, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 26 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Weight Watchers International. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Weight Watchers International is at 0.799. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Weight Watchers International encounters its first support level at 0.732. If this support level holds, it could present a strong entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Weight Watchers International from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 16th of April, 2025, Amsol Michael conducted an insider purchase of 524,109 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 27th of March, 2025, Commante Terra conducted an insider purchase of 99,956 shares of common stock. On the 27th of March, 2025, Commante Terra also conducted an insider sale of 36,035 shares of common stock. On the same day, Commante Terra conducted an insider sale of 99,956 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 24th of March, 2025, Amsol Michael conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 39.113. Overall, insiders purchased 2,963,329 shares and sold 1,206,335 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.750, representing a decline of 2.68%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 91, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is Weight Watchers International stock a good buy? Weight Watchers International Inc. holds several positive signals, and despite the stock being in a declining trend, we consider it to be a solid choice at its current levels. We anticipate that Weight Watchers International Inc. stock will perform exceptionally well over the next 3 months. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a hold or accumulate to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of May, we expect Weight Watchers International to open higher by 12 cents and begin trading at 89 cents. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by stockinvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of this stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.